So here I am at the train station waiting for the train. Wow, this is the famous train that passes through the market. So I'm going to board it now and head there. That's a big step in. So I'm inside and the conductor passing around to pick up tickets. Oh gosh. Outside here in Bangkok today, taking the train to the market. No, we don't have no trains in Trinidad, so I'm kind of amazed about the train. So I reached the market and way, look at people. These people just waiting to see this train. Amazing. Wow, it's a big attraction, man. How much a pound for the potato? How much a pound for the potatoes? How much a pound for the potatoes? So this is the view of the train passing through the market from the front of the train. Wow, just like the movies, you know. But I wanted to be outside. Huh?
Photo.
Oh no, it's okay. So I'm at the final stop here where the train drops off people. So here we have people taking photos with the train. Because besides being a mode of transport, this train is a top tourist attraction. It's so colorful and nice.
No, he said
So I'm walking up, heading to the market now, because the train is going to leave just now to pass through the market. So I'm going to view it from the outside. So I'm in the market here now, and you can see the train track is right there. And the market is very similar to Trinidad. They sell clothes, meat, fish, everything, you name it, sweets. So this is me walking on the train track.
It's like the dollar store.
Thank you. Can you all imagine that a train passes here 4 times daily? Look at how many things so close to the train track, and all these covering over the train track. This is the situation. have it. The train has left the station and is about to pass through the market where I am standing.
Dad. No, I'm not staying it for video the whole time. I take pictures too.
No, it's for us.
It's wrong side, right? So here I am trying to get the best footage for you all. So I'm on the train track, in front of the train waiting. I think the train is honking because I'm on the track. Let me get off.
Hey, she came into
You have to get back here.
Shit.
Is you wondering why I called you all here today?
Wow. So the train passes through the market at a relatively slow pace, and as you can see, there's not much room between the train and the stall for persons to stand, so you have to be very careful here.
Would you like to cross the track?
It takes about a minute for the train to pass, so you have to stand your grounds. After the train passes, you can see vendors packing back all their goods for sale and pulling back the awnings in place over the track. It's really amazing. And they do this like 4 times daily. Wow. Here we have it. Business as usual.
Wow, very good.